So, in the past, I've made tons of Hermitcraft figures and every Life Series member except for Lizzie. I mean, I made her, but I just didn't make a video about it yet. But today, I'm going to be making even more based specifically on the new skins from Past Life. As per normal, you can get all the stickers free in the description. Just put them on some base minifigures, although Tango's body is in a separate file because I couldn't find the original one, so sorry, there's a separate link. So let's get straight into the new figures. We have 4 brand new skins here based on Past Life. I know I showed 5, but that was just my character. First up is Emo Pearl, sporting a new face print. She also has a new torso print based off of her skin she's been using so far, and overall, I think it looks really good. What is that? Next up is Shrek Joel with another custom face print and a modified version of his original torso print, along with some green arms and green hands to give him that ogre vibe. I think he looks great. Next up, we have Classic Big B with a new face print and sporting the old torso print that I've always used for the character. I think he looks really great and the new face print works well, and he even has functionality to fall into the square hole. And lastly, we have a skin that never really appeared in the series, but this is Mango, a version of Tango that has Mumbo's face because he subbed for Tango in Session 2. I've been imagining this since the Session 2 came out, and I just thought it'd be really funny to have a Mumbo version of Tango. I think he looks ridiculous, and I love his face print so much. Well, that's all the figures. Let me know if you want me to repost my old Hermitcraft and Life Series figures so that more people can see them, but until then, this is all the figures that I thought needed to be made from Past Life. Let me know if there's any more down in the comments. Thank you. Bye.